Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to iPad Air. Begin by opening Play Store on Google Pixel and App Store on iPad. Then download free app called Send Anywhere on both and launch it. Now you need to set it up. Let's start with iPad. In the first pop-up about location, tap on wherever you want to. Then, this is very important, choose Allow Full Access in Photos 1 and pick wherever in Notifications 1. Then hit Close over here and go back to Google Pixel. To set up this app, tap on I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. In pop-up about notifications, you can tap on wherever you want to, and in Notifications 1, wherever you wish to as well. Then hit on your device's display and select Send at the bottom left corner. Now Receive over here on the left on iPad Air. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to scan the QR code, you will probably need to relaunch your app because this option is often glitchy. So when I will click on this icon at the top right corner of iPad to open the scanner, I can see that it's not working. You can simply try to relaunch your app or use the other connection method. If you see this pop-up, tap on whatever you want to. Then select Cancel in Notifications Settings 1. Hit Receive again and tap on the scanner if you want to try it one more time. Close an ad. Tap on Allow in Camera pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, all you need to do is tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and hit Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!